To extract a subset of data from a cell that contains text, we can use the write function as shown here. Left parenthesis, select the cell in question, how many from the right to include. So we get the right 3 characters only. Another function is left. Left parenthesis, select the cell in question. How many characters from the left to include? In this case 10, to include just the date and exclude the time. Another option is to extract information from the middle. Equal sign to start the formula. The mid function. Select the cell. Number of characters over, and then number of characters to include. Of course, the format needs to be correct for all of the cells extracting data from.